I'm Misty from Moss Photography, and I have with me here the amazing guest Cherry Cheeks. She is a burlesque performer in Victoria, BC. That's how we met. We performed together countless times, worked on shows, produced a festival together. So this week we are going to be doing some boudoir posing with you, and I'll let Cherry tell you a little bit more about the work that she does.
Hello, I'm Cherry Cheeks. Like Misty said, I am a burlesque performer in Victoria, Lekwungen territory, and for the past 5-ish years since I've been performing, I've been working on a lot of projects, including House of Cheek, which is my own production company, which highlights performers of color, and people from other marginalized communities, and also trying to make space for them. And since COVID, I have taken a little bit of a break, so you can find me on Instagram at cherry.cheeks, or you can also follow me on my blog, which is cheekyburlesque.com.
Alright, so I'm really excited to shoot together. We've shot together 3 times, 4 times, 5 times?
A handful.
A bunch. She's actually one of the very first people I ever shot in the studio, which was really exciting. Did we ever shoot at my old place?
No.
Oh.
Only here.
Neat. And outside. So this week we're going to do my favorite and best-selling poses. Just a few of them, but with a lot of variations to show you guys what's different about them and how you can make it work, and diversify just one single pose. So, let's get started.
Let's do it.
Jumping. Okay, so I look really dark right now. I'm just like this big, dark, creepy blob. But we're shooting dark and moody, so we kind of need the lighting to be set up like this. I'm going to start off with the sexy chicken wing, and I'm going to show you guys a couple of variations of that and how I would coach the model into that. Are you being a chicken in the background?
Yeah.
I see this, and I'm like, oh no. Today I'm shooting with a Canon 6D Mark II, and I have the 35 Canon L on the body, and yeah, this is the sexy chicken wing. So I'm going to get you lying down on your tummy,
Okay.
and you are going to pop out your chicken wing. So that's just your chicken
That's
wing.
the wing?
That's the...
That's a thigh.
Should I call it the sexy chicken thigh?
Sexy chicken thigh.
I think it looks like a wing. I don't know. So we're going to start here, and then I'll do a couple of variations with your hands. And then we're going to do the other sexy chicken wing variation, which is a butt photo. Okay, and we're just going to go this way on the bed. And this time your chicken wing is going to be the one not towards me.
Okay.
And sometimes you have to kind of play with this one. You have to put like your head down and kind of pop your butt up a little bit.
So the whole point is to get your butt up.
Kind of, yeah.
I'm guessing.
Ooh, this looks so good.
So I'm looking just like over my shoulder, you said?
Yeah. Let's actually get you, can you angle like a little bit more on a diagonal this way? So your
My head
chest,
this way?
yeah. Just to get a little bit better light on you.
Now I'm a
Perfect.
chicken.
Now I'm a chicken. You've always been a chicken. Beautiful. And just kind of grab the shoots with your hands. Give your hands kind of something to do. Perfect. And just back at your thumb. So other version of chicken wing
Is snap my heads this way?
yeah, so you're pointing just this direction in the bed. Floop. Perfect. So you want to be completely straight. I think you're still on like a little bit of an angle. Yep, there you go. Perfect. Fix the curtains. What's going on, guys? There we go. Nobody can see I have baseboard heaters. Those aren't
That's why the
sexy.
bed's here.
Yeah. Your chicken wing down a little bit. It's kind of like this.
Yeah.
Yep. And then let's reach you forward. And bring your hands to your hair. And then just pop your hips up a little bit. Yeah, perfect.
And this hand is good where it is?
Yeah, it can just chill. Beautiful chicken wing. Don't shoot with people you know, they're too sassy. Alright, the other way was too dark, so when I was telling you guys what I was doing, I just looked like this creepy dark blob monster. So I will tell you what I'm doing this way, so you can actually see my face a little bit while I'm talking to you, so it looks a little less creepy. This time we're going to do 2 squatting poses. It's the same pose, but I'm just going to flip our directions. So we'll get a really nice like rimlet front and a rimlet back. So here we go. Let's get you to come down right in the middle. It's
Oh,
actually
yeah. Okay.
getting quite dark, so I'll get you kind of more over to this side so you get more light on your face. Or we're just gonna do it again. So we'll do this version, and then I'll get you to do a hugging version where you're like this,
Okay.
and your bra straps are both like this.
Okay.
And then for version 2, I'm gonna get you to do this but facing the wall, and it's just a butt photo, and then we'll get you like a little wedgie. Cute. Let's even squish you back like a couple inches towards the wall.
Yeah, okay.
Beep, beep, beep. Perfect. Beautiful. Awesome, head back. Oh my gosh, Uncle, you look amazing. Yes! Now we are going to flip you. So you're just pointing your chest directly at the wall. And this one's just all about the booty.
Bra
So
straps.
we're gonna,
Up, down.
let's bring them up. They'll just get in your way. Let's scoot you a little bit farther, closer to the wall. I can't talk today. I'm not British. And what we're gonna do is you're going to give yourself a wedgie. You're gonna shove that underwear up your butt. It's super comfortable, very sexy. It feels very natural. And you're just gonna kind of like hover on your feet,
Okay.
over your feet, and give yourself a little T-Rex arm so your elbows come in like this.
Okay.
Perfect. I'm doing those elbows in. Nice.
Great T-Rex.
It's just like the old chicken, right? Like T-Rexes used to be chickens. Alright, chickens used to be T-Rexes? That's the one. Look back at your bum. Okay, so now we're gonna do the last pose. We're gonna do a lean back, and we'll do 2 variations of a lean back onto the bed. One where she's propped up on her elbows, and the other one where she's just leaning back, grabbing the blankets. We're gonna sit like this, elbows up, titties to Jesus, and just close your eyes. And then the next version, you're just gonna lie back and just grab the blanket. And for this, I'm gonna shoot you this way, but I'm also gonna get on the other side of you and shoot with the direct light. And then you're just gonna switch legs. Oh, this looks so nice. Perfect. Yeah, just let those hands relax. Deep breath in and out. Perfect. Just grab that sheet.
My butt's still on the bed, right?
Yeah, and you can bring your foot down a little bit more, be closer to your knee. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, bring it back down a little bit to where it was. Keep going down.
What are you doing?
So may I touch your foot? Here. Perfect. You're on the sheet. Elbow towards me. Open a little bit more. Definitely. Just open it.
Oh, okay. I don't know what that means.
I don't get it.
Why are you putting a fantasy right now? I don't know.
You did great. I'm gonna shoot you this way. So I'm just going to switch legs for me. Perfect. And then this hand is going to go into your bra strap. Just kind of hold it. And this one's going to come a little bit closer to your head. And just grab the sheet still. Like it. Yep. And can I touch?
Yeah.
So your elbow to be right here. Chin this way a little bit. Up and then to the side. Yeah, perfect. No, I just have to do it that way too. Are we jumping? I mean, we can if you want to.
No.
Whee!